Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Ushabala. So today I gonna show you Navratri second day makeup look, guys. So first of all, I used this Fair and Lovely fairness cream as a primer. Now I apply that cream on my face and neck. Okay, after that I apply this talcum powder. This is from White Tone talcum powder with the help of this beauty blender. So next I use this eyeshadow palette. This is from Maybelline Nudes palette. I use this baby pink color on that palette. I used this baby pink color for my lower crease area. Now I selected coral pink color on this palette and apply on upper crease area like so. Okay, now just applying kajal on my eyes, waterline. Now I applied this mascara on my eyelashes like so. This is from Blue Heaven mascara. This is very handy for traveling also. Next, lip balm on my lips. This is from Maybelline lip balm. After lip balm, I apply this lipstick. This is from LA 18. So next, this is Duo Stick. This is also from Maybelline. This is contour. I apply contour on this, on my forehead, cheekbones, chin and nose area like so, and applying highlighter on this duo stick like so. Forehead, nose, pubic bone and chin area. This is the highlighter. Where you want to highlight on your face, you apply this highlighter and contourer for giving a nice shape of your face. Just give a little strokes with your fingers for blending of highlighter and contourer like so. So next I fill in my eyebrows with this eyebrow pencil. This is from Lakme in the shade black. So next very important for Indian girls, that is bindi. So today is the light pink day, so I would like to wear pink on my bindis collection. So this is my second day Navratri makeup look. If you like this video, please give a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye, I love you.